you don't know who I is, you don't know my abilities. Listen, witness, pay attention as I spit this wicked. 2090 for business. Every minute diminish, I'm in it to win it. As long as I'm living, they say I'm sinning that can never be forgiven. Let it marinate, ignore the hate, I celebrate as if I was a felony. I'm questioning your love for me. I no longer pretend to be the way you all remember me. And the lesson be, I am not heavenly. I ain't stopping anytime, no deny. Skills balance, no decline. Stay divine, power moves with the rhyme.
Ain't nothing but a hot and sweaty mess. Ain't nothing but hot sweaty mess. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now Never Crew, and in this video, I'm going over an intermediate set choreography combo for you guys. So this is a top to bottom, top rock go downs, freezes, footwork, style. You know, it's got it all. Little bit tricky power, but not much yet. You guys like the beginner one? So here's an intermediate one. If you haven't checked out my beginner one yet, check it out. It's right there. And let's go right away. Before we start, this set and choreo is made around the idea of using freezes as transitional pieces. Transitional? That's a weird word to say, hey? Pieces in your movement rather than using it as the big blow up or trick. Instead, they're all transitional instead. Because I know a lot of people struggle with that. I struggle with that. So I thought I'd use this as kind of a blueprint for you guys to play with, flip, rearrange, make it yours, and make it fresh. Let's go. So we're starting with an entrance go down. So no top rock at the beginning, okay? Because now that you're past beginner, you don't always have to start your rounds with top rock first. It's cool to have entrances first. So here's an entrance. You're bad on the mirror in your room because it's COVID and there's no battles, but that's okay. Basically, you're gonna start here, you're gonna jump forwards. I'm going right foot cross. If you're doing left, switch it around. Right leg sweeps, so you're gonna lean forwards. Sweep your right leg all the way down. Land on your back, smack here, okay? Then leg over top, you're gonna do a head track. So you're going down, up, catch, head track. Then from here, right leg wrap over left, come down, knee drop, okay? Then you rotate up, finish. So that was your quick little hit before you actually start the combo, okay? So quick little hit first, boom. Then we're just gonna do a little bit of top rock. Start whichever direction you want. If you want one extra, then just go crossover to the side here. Then you're gonna step back, crossover, then step in, other way, going kick, switch, pose, step back, and kick, switch, pose, step back, then we go to the next part. But let's try that first part first, okay? So again, beginning, all fresh, jump, lean forwards, pull yourself down, smack, readjust your tube, head track, hit, then cross, knee drop, down, spin up to the mirror or your opponent, freeze into your top rock, going crossover right, boom, step back, crossover left, boom, step back, and then into your next part. This is a little knee drop into side freeze, chair walkover. So you go here, I hit my leg down because I'm cool like that. You can do whatever you want. And then hand down, I'm going right arm first, stab in. Head comes down, you're gonna turn into a chair, boom. So lazy, pop. Oh my gosh. So this part's hard to do slow, but you're gonna do a chair crossover, okay? And you're gonna see me fall like 8 times before I get this, because I can't do it slow apparently. Knee down, chair, hit, hop through, then you're gonna switch, boom, to the other side, okay? So that's a hop off the head bridge on your right side. And then you're gonna go up in the side chair, cross your right leg over, left, little figure 4 hit right here. Then place that knee down, sit on it, boom, right here, grab it like this, then thread through, hit. I feel like I should go over that again. So let's go over it again. Ready? Side chair, going down, chair, hit, switch, going knee, chair, switch, poorly, and then over, hit, turn around, sit on your foot, grab it, thread, boom. From here, we're adding, this is where I add a little bit of a style move because you're intermediate, you should start doing style moves. So this is one of the ones I made up. So from here, you're gonna bring your right knee to your right elbow, a little connection thread. So you're going here, connect, then keep it up, pivot on your foot, left toe down, push through, grab, boom, like that, okay? Then from here, we're gonna go stomach coffee grinder, left leg, kick around right here, you grab your left arm, and you do a little coin drop to get up, okay? So this is the second half of a coin drop. If you need to place this toe down, you can totally place this toe down first, then kick this leg, going up. Then from here, I use my right knee to turn down, and then wherever I am, I use coffee grinder CC to get myself to front. So let's say you end up back here, that's totally fine. Do one coffee grinder over, CC switch. I did this in the video. Then you can do another CC here, another Zulu spin, or you can literally just go CC switch to the front, okay? So whichever way you need to do it to flow yourself back to front, because you're going from a random position, so it's kind of hard to judge. From here, I coffee grinder right, up to my feet, boom, pivot my legs and arms, kick, that's left, right, lean to my right leg, left leg, toe one sweeps up, kicks down, you're in your squat, and then you do a coffee grinder somersault. So you're going sweep right, and then your left arm's tucking under, so you're going here, under, just like that. When you're coming out of it, you go into a transfer style freeze, a one leg spider. So your left leg's gonna keep up. You're gonna go through from your bum, up here, boom. Then you're gonna pull through, stab left, shoot up, land toes, knees, come up, boom, little, cat freeze. Then you just go knee, however you want, finish, okay? So I know I jumped around a lot, so we're gonna go through that again, don't worry. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Up, slide, hit, head track, freeze, knee drop, grab your toque, put it on, finish, then crossover, step back, boom, other side, crossover, back, boom, step back, cross, hit your knee down. Then you're going to stab right here, head comes down, use both arms if you need, chair. Then if you want, you can put this hand down, walk over or jump over, totally your choice. Then again, that kick is left, right, hit, then put it down, sit on it, grab it from behind and thread, boom. Then you're kicking right into your connection thread, knee grabs your arm, goes through, chin pose, thinking man pose, then kick around, coin drop up, land, come down wherever you're facing. If you do face front, awesome, that's where you want to be. Zulu, CC, find center. So again, you're using this to get yourself back to a center position. Switch, I would do one more, because now I'm really center, you see? Switch legs, coffee up, pivot, and left leg pull one sweep down, right leg, somersault, under. What a mess. What a mess today, hey? One leg spider, left leg coming up, boom, through, stab, up, boom, pop, pop, hit. Water, 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 my rainbows. Okay, so we're gonna put on some music. We'll do one kind of slower, one a little fast. If you're struggling a lot with any of the moves, I have tutorials on majority of those moves on my channel already. Just go through my channel and you can find most of them. And or just comment down below and I'll try to help you out as best I can. But yeah, here's the combo. Enjoy it. Hope you liked it. And let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
like the flying. Power moves with the mind. On the airline, see I made a paraglide on the beat I fly. Everybody live, but I'ma stay the freshest kid. You can watch the sickest thing and still be insignificant. I've been feeling the killing and then the drum again. If you don't know who I is, you don't know how to do it.
I have no stamina anymore, hey? So lazy, everybody. Your boy's gotten lazy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash my button for more videos. And I will try my very best to make weekly content for you guys. Thanks again. Bye.
Lovers.